अप्रमेयो हृषीकेशः पद्मनाभोऽमरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः।
ఓం అప్రమేయాయ నమః. ఓం హృషికేశాయ నమః. ఓం పద్మనాభాయ నమః. ఓం అమరప్రభవే నమః. ఓం విశ్వకర్మణే నమః. ఓం మనవే నమః. ఓం త్వష్ట్రే నమః. ఓం స్థవిష్ఠాయ నమః. ఓం స్థవిరాయ నమః. ఓం ధ్రువాయ నమః.
Aprameyaha, one who cannot be known. Hrishikeshaha, the one who appoints the census. Padmanabhaha, the one who has the lotus in his navel. Amaraprabhu, the one who directs the deities. Vishwakarma, the one who does the actions in the world. Manuhu, the one who does all the actions by his own will. Tvashta, the one who created the universe. Sthavishtha, the one who has acquired an immense form. Sthaviraha, the one who is constant. Dhruvaha, the one who is not subject to changes such as birth, existence, increase, decrease, and destruction. Vishnu is the one who cannot be comprehended, the controller of the senses, the one who has a lotus in his navel, the ruler of the gods, the one who carries out the actions of creation, the one who performs all actions through mere will, the creator of the body, the one who exists in an immense form, the one who is eternally steady, and the one who is beyond all changes. Reciting this verse brings clarity, control over the senses, divine grace, success in actions, physical and mental well-being, stability, and peace. These sacred names awaken spiritual consciousness and lead to liberation from sin.
అప్రమేయో హృషికేశః పద్మనాభోమరప్రభుః విశ్వకర్మా మనుస్త్వష్టా స్థవిష్ఠస్థవిరో ధ్రువః. Follow us for next slokas. If you like this, please like and share and comment Om Namo Narayanaaya.